Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has launched a scathing attack at the Biju Janata Dal, particularly VK Pandian. He stated that the Chief Minister of Odisha, Naveen Patnaik, cannot meet someone alone and can't even talk to anyone, as VK Pandian is always there with him. Moreover, he's questioned if Naveen Patnaik himself wants a Pandian around him. He's added that the Chief Minister is in a hostage situation. Viewers, let's listen into what he said.
ये चुनाव उड़ीसा का अस्मिता का चुनाव है। मैं भी एक प्रदेश का मुख्यमंत्री हूँ, लेकिन मैं तो अकेला आया हूँ। मैं अकेला बात कर सकता हूँ, मैं लोगों से मिल सकता हूँ, लोग मुझसे मिल सकता है, जैसे आप लोगों से मैं अभी मिल रहा हूँ। लेकिन जो उड़ीसा का मुख्यमंत्री है वो अकेला किसी को मिल नहीं सकता है, अकेला लोगों से बात नहीं कर सकता है और हर समय उनका साथ पंडियान रहते हैं। हमें मालूम करना पड़ेगा कि नवीन बाबू खुद पंडियान का साथ रहता है या पंडियान कुछ ऐसा खेल खेला है जिसका कारण नवीन बाबू पंडियान का जो एक ग्रीब है उनसे बाहर नहीं जा सकते हैं। मेरा तो मानना है कोई हाई कोर्ट का जज नवीन बाबू से अकेला बात करना सही है। क्या वो खुश है, क्या वो ठीक ठाक है? अगर कोई व्यक्ति, मैं हाई कोर्ट का जज इसलिए बताया वो न्यूट्रल होगा, हाई कोर्ट का चीफ जस्टिस या हाई कोर्ट का।
All right, there of course, viewers, you've heard what Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has to say. My colleague Nibir Deka joins us on the broadcast with further details. Nibir, over to you.
Yes, the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has raised serious concerns about the autonomy of Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, suggesting that Patnaik might be under the influence from his aide V. Kartikeya Pandian. And in a very sharply pointed statement, Sharma has remarked that the election this time in Odisha is about the pride of Odisha. But if the Chief Minister of Odisha cannot meet anyone alone or converse without Pandian's presence, then we need to understand whether Naveen Babu, he refers to the Chief Minister as Naveen Babu, desires the constant presence of Pandian or not. And as such, he has proposed a High Court judge to speak with Naveen Patnaik to determine his arrangement with Pandian. So he has raised concerns and made allegations against the Odisha Chief Minister, stating that he is under the influence of his aide V. Pandian, and this has been a constant critique that the Chief Minister of Assam has levied against the former bureaucrat turned politician V.K. Pandian and his influence over the Chief Minister of Odisha, stating that he is not totally in control and totally not in autonomy to perform his duties. And this is a big statement coming in from the Assam Chief Minister, who is now campaigning in Odisha, Jharkhand and West Bengal in the next upcoming elections, which centers around the eastern side of the country. Back to you.
All right, with that, I would like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast, sharing all those details.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.